I'm Raghunathan. You can find me on Behance. Let us go ahead with this project. I'm from Pearl Academy, Delhi. My final research project is about human emotions through dance. My mentor, Vasundhara, and I love to acknowledge all the people who has helped me for this project. You're happy? You're sad? We humans are gifted with all kinds of human emotions, right? What do you think about human emotions? Bharatanatyam deals with Navarasa. Navarasa is 9 emotions which include love, laughter, kind-heartedness, anger, courage, terror, disgust, surprise, and peace. Here we go. This is my landing page, which has all the titles of my research. We can call this as my content page also. Let's go with the client pitch. Human emotion. There are many different types of emotions that has influenced on how we live and interact with others. At times it seems like we have ruled by emotions. I belong to a place where people used to say that there should be at least one in the family who should practice the kind of art in the childhood, kind of music or dance, anything. There is always a difference between the way of expressing the emotion from few of my friends, especially those who have learned the art Bharatanatyam. The question is why it's happening, what is the purpose, and why my project deals with this. The purpose of my study is to investigate the connection between the human emotion to the art Bharatanatyam, and what was the art origin and how it has been evolved through these years, and how I can implement my modern technology into this. I was always wanted to shoot the portraits of classic Bharatanatyam dancer by adding a modern touch for the 2000 year dance. Okay, what is my target audience? Yeah, I got it. Professional dancers, bloggers, graphic designers, UI designers, filmmakers are my target audience, where these people depends on each other. Aims and objectives. Aim: to find out how Bharatanatyam dancers emote their emotions through dance signs. To find out how modern technology collaborates with 2000-year-old traditional dance form visually. This is my main target and how I'm gonna achieve it through my objectives. To study about the significance of Navrasa in Bharatanatyam and how each rasa different from each and what they emote. To study about the purpose of Bharatanatyam and the aesthetics of the dancers used in their daily life. To study about the evolution of Bharatanatyam visually and also to study about the visual graphics and how that can be used in Bharatanatyam. I have learned about the art Bharatanatyam and from where is the origin. I have a strong inclination towards everything that is culturally Indian, especially a special love for the Bharatanatyam style, and I want to create something unique. This whole project needs a direction team and art collaboration, and I have done this with my few of the team which I had. And I went more in depth about the rationalize of the art and learned about what's the purpose and the evolution of Bharatanatyam. And here follows my literature reviews, where I have taken 5 topics and I have understood what is dance and how I am gonna implement the dance with CG graphics. My research methodology always have primary and secondary research, where the secondary has been already discussed for literature review, and my primary has interviews and also I have done online surveys. Let's go to the interview first. I have interviewed 5 members of dancers and 1 number of art director and 1 number of costume designer to know in well depth about how they are dealing these kinds of dance and how they are gonna use the aesthetic kind of graphics into the modern world. These are the few questions which I have listed for my dancers, and this is for the costume designer, and next will be for the art director. Next, we will move on to my online survey, where I have chosen almost 15 questions and I have circulated to all of the professional dancers to know the ideology what I have in my mind, whether it is acceptable by the professional dancers or not. After getting the response, I have done my findings and analysis. The findings and analysis are very much positive. And the good thing is, all the professional dancers, most of them, have collaborated with me for the shoots which I'm planning. Making use of this project, having plans to start up an agency which deals with background and computer graphics. Taking all the art form and just exploring more with the graphics is my main thing. Right now, in my project, I have taken Bharatanatyam, and let's analyze about the plus and minus and how the lean board and the business plan works. Let's start with the problems. Making the appeal of Bharatanatyam more contemporary. Less engaging visuals, experiments with the art is less in terms of themes. Solutions. Mixture of graphic visuals, photography, styling, image post-production and image graphic design. Channels. Website design with mobile and also is application that's suitable for Android and iOS. Unique value proposition. For 1 year from the date of handover, website and mobile application service will be done in the free of cost. Open to all kinds of projects which involves art, graphic and inclination towards them. Key metrics. New designs are updated day by day. In the committed time, project will be done and the data will be shared. Unfair advantage. Celebrity endorsement, unique designs, design patent, brand service awareness. Let's go down for cost structure. Technological setup and running, employee salaries, photography fee, design fee, stylist fee. These all will be collected from photography, styling and post-production, and the unique rates has been addressed. Revenue streams. 50% of the advance will be taken from the host, YouTube advertisement and member upgrades. Pitching this idea to my client or to my customer, I have visual reference which follows through. Here my visual reference shows how the final output will be, what all graphics I'm gonna use and what's the theme I'm gonna work. Here comes my conclusion, where the mixture of international standards of graphic design with the art Bharatanatyam is possible, with a new dimension of art and is defined by adding the emotion of modern touch. One thing I want to conclude that I'm not going to touch or degrade any aesthetic sense of Bharatanatyam. It's all about giving a different visual experience to the art Bharatanatyam. These are the few research reference and the video reference which I have taken has been listed here. And this research, the full view of it is there in a website mode and it's also compatible for iOS and Android. It's a great pleasure to showcasing my project to you all. Thanks for your time.